Hi, I'm Sal Cabico and I will be discussing Module 16, the Internet Radio. I will be discussing the basic principles of broadcasting via the Internet Radio and will also be answering whether Internet radio broadcasting can be effective for development communication work. There are 10 basic principles of broadcasting via the Internet Radio. First would be understanding the audience. Know your target audience, including their preferences, habits, and needs. Conduct surveys or use analytics tools to understand listeners' demographics and interests. Tailor concept or content to specific groups such as youth, professionals, or rural communities. Example, a station targeting young adults might focus on trending music, pop culture discussions, and interactive segments. Next would be interactivity. Internet radio allows for real time interaction with listeners, making engagement a key component. Use live chats, social media platforms, and polls to involve listeners in the program. Encourage audience participation through call ins, comments, or live Q&A sessions. Example, a live show on environmental conservation could include a segment where listeners share their eco-friendly practices via social media. Next would be multimedia integration. Internet radio can incorporate multimedia elements to enhance the listening experience. Add visuals such as images or videos to complement audio content on the station's website or social media. Provide links to additional resources or related articles. Example, a health program could include a downloadable infographic on healthy eating tips. Next, accessibility. Internet radio can be accessed globally, breaking geographical barriers. Ensure the broadcast is available on multiple platforms such as websites, apps, and streaming services. Optimize content for module devices to reach listeners on the go. Example, a community radio station can stream its program online, allowing expatriates to stay connected with local news and culture. Next would be flexibility and content delivery. Internet radio supports both live and on demand content, offering flexibility to listeners, provide live broadcast for real time engagement, and on demand options for listeners who prefer to tune in later. Example, a weekly talk show can be streamed live and then uploaded as a podcast for listeners who missed the broadcast. Next, cost effectiveness. Internet radio is less expensive to produce and broadcast compared to traditional radio. Use affordable digital tools for recording, editing, and streaming. Avoid the need for expensive transmitters and antennas. Example, a small community group can start an internet radio station using basic equipment and free streaming platforms. Number seven, data driven programming. Internet radio platforms provide analytics to track listeners' behavior and preferences. Use data to identify popular segments, peak listening times, and audience demographics. Adjust programming to better meet listeners' needs and preferences. For example, if analytics show high engagement during evening hours, schedule population shows during at that time. Next, quality content production. High quality audio and engaging content are essential for retaining listeners. Invest in good microphones and editing software to ensure clear and professional sound quality. Focus on creating content that is relevant, entertaining, and informative. Example, a station focusing on education can produce well researched programs with expert interviews and clear audio. Number nine, branding and promotion. Build a strong brand identity and promote the station to attract and retain listeners. use social media, email newsletters, and collaborations to promote the station, develop a unique logo, tagline, and signature tune to create a recognizable brand. Example, a station promoting sustainable living can use a green theme logo and collaborate with environmental organization for cross promotion. Number 10, legal and ethical compliance. Adhere to copyright laws and ethical standards in content creation and broadcasting. Obtain licenses for music and other copyrighted materials. Ensure content is accurate, respectful, and culturally sensitive. Example, a station broadcasting music must secure rights to play songs legally and avoid spreading misinformation. For the next discussion forum, can internet radio broadcasting be effective for development communication work? Explain. The answer is yes. In terms of global reach, it is effective because internet radio transcends geographical boundaries, allowing development messages to reach audiences worldwide. This is particularly beneficial for addressing global issues such as climate change, health crisis, or education. Internet radio can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, enabling development organization to target diverse audiences, including remote and marginalized communities. For example, an internet radio station can broadcast programs on disaster preparedness to communities in flood-prone areas across different countries. Next, in terms of cost effectiveness, internet radio is less expensive to set up and operate compared to traditional radio, making it accessible to small organizations and grassroots movements. With basic equipment and free affordable streaming platforms, development organization can produce the broadcast high quality programs without the need for extensive transmitter or antennas. For example, a local NGO can start an internet radio station to produce or educate farmers about sustainable agricultural practices using minimal resources. In terms of interactivity, it is effective. Internet radio allows for real time interaction with listeners, fostering engagement and participation in development initiatives. Features like live chats, social media integration, call ins enable listeners to share their opinions, ask questions, and contribute to discussion. For example, a program on women's empowerment can include a live Q&A session where listeners share their experiences and seek advice from experts. Next, multimedia integration. It is effective because it can incorporate multimedia elements such as videos, images, and links to enhance the audience understanding of development topics. Broadcasters can provide supplementary materials such as infographics, articles, or videos to complement audio content. Example, a health program on internet radio can include downloadable guides on nutrition and exercise routines. In terms on-demand accessibility, internet radio supports on demand content, allowing listeners to access programs at their convenience. This flexibility ensures that development messages reach a wider audience. Programs can be recorded and uploaded as podcasts, enabling listeners to tune in at any time. For example, a series of financial literacy can be made available as podcast, allowing listeners to revisit episodes as needed. In terms of data-driven programming, it is internet radio is effective platform because it provides analytics that help broadcasters understand listeners' behavior and preferences, enabling them to tailor content to the audience needs. By analyzing data on listeners' demographics, engagement, and peak listening times, broadcasters can optimize their programming to or for maximum impact. For example, if analytics show that listeners are most effective or active in the evenings, a program on parenting tips can be scheduled during that time. In terms of accessibility, internet radio can reach audiences with varying literacy levels as it relies on audio content rather than text. Programs can be produced in local languages and use simple conversational language to ensure inclusivity. Example, a program on clean water initiatives can be broadcast in regional dialects to reach rural communities. In terms of rapid response to emerging issues, internet radio allows for quick production and dissemination of content, making it ideal for addressing urgent development issues. Broadcasters can create and stream programs in response to emergencies, such as natural disasters or health outbreaks. Example, during a pandemic, internet radio can provide timely updates on safety measures and vaccination campaigns. In terms of community building, internet radio can serve as a platform for community voices, fostering collaboration and collective action. Programs can feature local leaders, success stories, and discussions on community issues, creating a sense of unity and shared purpose. For example, a program on waste management can include interviews with community members who have successfully implemented recycling initiatives. And lastly, in terms of scalability, internet radio can easily scale to accommodate growing audiences and expand its reach. Broadcasters can add new programs, increase streaming hours, or collaborate with other organizations to reach more listeners. For example, a development organization can partner with other NGOs to create a series of programs on sustainable development goals. To conclude, while internet radio has many advantages, there are challenges that need to be addressed. Internet access. Limited to reliable internet in some areas may restrict the reach of internet radio. Next, digital literacy. Some audiences may lack the skills to access internet radio platforms and competition. The abundance of online content can make it difficult for internet radio stations to stand out. Internet radio broadcasting is a highly effective tool for development communication work. Its ability to reach global audiences, engage listeners interactively, and deliver multimedia rich content makes it a versatile and impactful medium. By addressing challenges such as internet access and digital literacy, development organization can leverage internet radio to promote awareness, education, and social change on a large scale. Thank you.